David from College Station has a question about an attic window.
Well, he wants your advice really about cutting down the heat transfer on this thing. They're almost finished building his home in College Station. And David writes, and he's talking about, by the way, this is the house. You see that window over the garage? That's the problem. That's the one. He says it doesn't open and it's going to get a lot of afternoon sun. So David writes, I have a radiant barrier and a soffit and solar vent all calculated out and installed. I'm wondering, should I put some sort of shade or film or radiant barrier on the inside of that attic window?
Most of the windows today come with a low E coating to begin with, and they're all double pane, and it's there for aesthetics apparently only. It's not there for anything else. I don't think it's going to make a bit of difference whether you painted the whole thing black or just left it alone. The heat's going to go in the attic. It's going to rise. It's going to leave through the ridge vent, and so it sounds like you've done everything right. But the one thing that I've noticed in my career with attic windows is the fact that you actually can see into the attic, and the attic is not a pretty space. You see the rafters, you see the roof decking. If you have a radiant barrier, you're going to see the foil on the bottom of the radiant barrier. So if you want to put something there to cover it just for aesthetics is one thing. But to make a big energy difference in your home, it's not going to make much at all.
I'm thinking of the fun you can have with that, like at Christmas and Halloween, and put things in that window and, kind of like have fun with it.
Yeah, you can have fun if you like crawling around the attic and really doing weird stuff. But me,
both together, not individually. Yeah, okay, got it. All right. Well, whether you like crawling around your attic or doing weird stuff, we're still happy to hear from you with your questions, your home improvement questions. Go ahead and visit us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, send it in, and we'll answer it just like we did this one.